to 200 liters of water a day. Depending on the size of the elephant, depends how much you can suck up at one time. Rambo's averaging anywhere between 25 and 30 liters at a time. Okay guys, put your phones on, video, concentrate on the buckets. One's a 25, one's a 30. Why are you standing up there? That's the first one gone. It's a 30 litre.
Gone.
Try some 50 litres of water you just drank.
Yeah.
Oh.
The drinks this last little bit. Tell me what it sounds like. A toilet flushing. Yeah. Toilet flushing.